Keshavanada Bharati Sripadagalvaru versus State of Kerala. It is a landmark judgment given by 13 judge bench of Supreme Court, where it set the principle that Supreme Court is the guardian of basic structure of the Constitution. Background of the case: the Kerala Land Reforms Act 1963, amended again in 1969, was enacted to fulfill the socio-economic obligations of the state government of Kerala. Challenging this land acquisition, Keshavanada Bharati filed a writ petition under Article 32 for the enforcement of rights under Article 25, Article 26, Article 14, Article 19 and Article 31 of Indian Constitution. Meanwhile, the Golaknath case judgment put severe restriction on the power of the Parliament to amend the Constitution. In the years that followed Golaknath case, the Supreme Court struck down the Bank Nationalisation Act 1969 in R.C. Cooper versus Union of India. Following these setbacks, the Government of India passed 24th and 25th Constitutional Amendment Acts to nullify the effects to the judgments given above. The Constitutional 29th Amendment Act 1972 placed the Kerala Land Reforms 1963 in the 9th schedule of the Constitution. So, the petitioner in the case challenged the constitutional validity of 24th, 25th and 29th Amendment Acts. The judgment: Keshavanada Bharati case deduced the doctrine of basic structure. The court held that the 24th Amendment to the Constitution as valid. On the question to which extent the Constitution can be amended, the court deduced the doctrine of basic structure. It implies that the Parliament has power to amend any provisions of the Constitution, but it cannot in any matter interfere with the features of fundamental rights to the Constitution, without which the Constitution would be spiritless. With regard to 25th Amendment, the court held that the laws enacted to give effect to the directive principles of state policy under Part 4 are open to judicial review. The court also held that 29th Amendment Act valid. The laws included in the 9th schedule can be challenged in the court of law on the grounds that they abrogate the basic elements of the constitutional structure. All the amendments to the Constitution were subjected to the test of basic structure doctrine. It referred the judicial creativity of a very high order. The Supreme Court gave at least 20 features of a basic structure, elements of the Constitution. Only the judiciary can decide what is to be considered as the basic feature of the Constitution. The judgment was quoted again and again by the Supreme Court in various judgments, like in the 3 judges cases. That's it for today from Vijay Law Bites. For more, do like, share and subscribe.